Hi, I'm Lokesh Devnani, software engineer at Udaan.
I am Sachin PL, software engineer at Udaan.
Hi, I'm Kaushik, head software engineer at Udaan. Udaan is India's largest B2B platform and it's customized for the retail and kirana commerce in India. A B2B platform versus a B2C platform is going to be the volumes of data. So a B2B would deal with not just very high number of orders, for example, but the depth of the orders are also going to be much larger than B2C. Transactional data stores end up becoming a lot more complex. Our choice of transactional data store was SQL Server, and we have had an interesting ride with SQL Server over the past few years. We have gained a lot of experience. The base tenet of any database is the surface area of the impact that it can cause, both good and bad, is very vast. So it becomes imperative that you end up investing in the right kind of tooling so that at scale and at higher levels of complexity, you are not compromising on efficiency. If anything, you are actually trying to get better at it.
While SQL databases are easy to use, it is equally difficult to efficiently run it at scale. More so when you have to keep the performance high, cost low, and incur minimum maintenance overhead. Now, traditionally, this problem is handled by hiring more and more DBAs who take care of tuning the database as well as managing the database health. We tackled this problem by investing in systems and empowering developers with sophisticated tools that gives them the right visibility and right instrumentation so that they can take care of the problem themselves. One such tool that we built was Snorql. Now, Snorql comes with a framework as well as a set of utility scripts that helps developers get better out of the databases to essentially get the juice out of the databases. It has helped us immensely over the last couple of years. Over the last 2 years, we've been able to cut down our infrastructure cost by up to 80%, all thanks to Snorql.
So SQL databases uses indexes to speed up queries, but like all engineering solutions, it comes with trade-offs. Indexes lead to increase in storage, increase in CPU consumption, and also increase in I/O operations due to extra updates. So we built a tool powered by Snorql, which gives out all redundant indexes and gives out recommendations by just one single click. You apply the recommendations and all the redundant indexes are gone. Using this, we saved hundreds of GB in storage as well as billions in I/O operations.
Index fragmentation makes it harder and slower for the database to find the data that it needs, also increasing storage requirements and hence cost. Generally speaking, defragmentation requires complex queries to be orchestrated and run by experienced, skilled database administrators. We took a different approach to this. Again, we built tools on top of Snorql to build a centralized system that automates away the entire process of keeping the indexes fresh, compact, and up to date. And we focus our energies on building systems and solving larger customer problems.
Managing so many databases is no joke, especially if you don't want to splurge all your resources into the problem. To make our lives easy, we built a master database powered by Snorql. It brings together all important database matrices in one single page for all the databases at Udaan. This way, if you want to figure out which database is over-provisioned, unhealthy, highly fragmented, or it has redundant indexes, you could do it with a simple UI filter. For example, here the tool says that the resource is unhealthy and overutilized. Now, this can lead to timeout, slow response time, and sometimes outages too. So, having this information beforehand, this insight provides us an opportunity to deal with it early on. Applying these recommendations have highly optimized our DB spends.
We have open sourced it, learned so much from Snorql. We thought that it's the right thing to do in terms of giving it back to the community from whom we take so much, especially on the engineering side of things. And we hope that it benefits the larger community as it has for us here at Udaan.